There is a buffalo crashing through the wall. Actually, it's an American bison, but you get it. At least he's wearing a scarf and has his face covered, so he's being a good bison. Hello world, it's your Uncle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Corning, New York. This behind me is the Rockwell Museum here in Corning. Now, this is an art museum, and vlogging an art museum can be difficult at best, but we're gonna go in there, take a look around and see what they've got to see. Should be some interesting and beautiful art. So, already got my tickets. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do come along.
Camcorder. Mine. No way.
The building is pretty darn impressive in on itself. There's the entrance. What is this? Oh, it's bronze. It's actually bronze. It's called Untitled. Nice view from the terrace. The tops of the buildings of Corning, New York. This is the main gallery. Very nice. This is a little bit close to home. It's honoring Jim Thorpe, and I didn't grow up too far from Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. It's an old lacrosse stick here. Not a lot of people know that lacrosse did originate from the Native Americans. These are pretty nasty. This is a tomahawk and a war club. Ooh. This is called America's Crazy Quilt. Very crazy. Lots of Native American paintings. That is quite the stack of quilts. Very much love the bronze statues. Can't believe I almost missed this one. I'm really digging on it. It's called Sunset. It's absolutely amazing. It's from 1915. Ooh. Very nice. This is the lodge. Again, I do just so much love these bronze statues. This one's called See No Evil, Hear No Evil, Say No Evil. With chickens on the top. I do love all the oil on canvas paintings. There you go. There you go. Wait, do it again. we could be silly in these places. So I wasn't really able to get all that much inside the museum, so Michelle and I gotta go take a walk around downtown Corning, get a little lay of the land and check it out and see what's going on down here. I do love all the old buildings that are here in downtown Corning. Hi. Look, they have an old bank thermometer here in Corning. When was the last time you saw one of those? Taking a walk up Market Street here in Corning. It's kind of nice. Reminds me of Old Town Fort Collins, Colorado. Now this is Nickel Pit Barbecue. We had dinner there last night. It was absolutely amazing. If you are ever in Corning, make it a point to stop here and get some amazing barbecue. Looking at this marquee, the Old Palace Theater. That's not something you see very often anymore. I love that old street signage, and just look at that beautiful building right there. Loving it. So this is interesting. This is the Corning Glass Works here. You can see this tower. There's a silhouette of a person blowing glass with an old rod. Yeah, this is definitely it here. So this little archway is kind of cool. This is the entry to the Corning Glass Works. And we're gonna come through the arch here to a really awesome reveal of the corporate headquarters, Corning Glass. You can see here it all is. The namesake of the town and its roots. So this is all of Corning Glass. It's nice because I'm here on a Sunday. It's nice and abandoned, but look at this courtyard. Look at this. This is just so very cool, nestled in this little New York State town. That's a pretty impressive entrance. This looks like some kind of a sculpture made out of Corning glass. I'm not exactly sure what, but it's cool. Yep, there's the entrance to the parking garage. Very nice. Absolutely love all the back alleys in this town that go right behind the streets. Look at that nice old neon sign right there. I absolutely love it. This is kind of nifty. We just stopped at an antique store. There's an old neon sign of days gone past. You don't see those anymore. The Market Street Apothecary. Looks like over here, this is the manufacturing part of the Corning Corporation. There's that tower again. That's pretty impressive. There's a nice full shot of that tower. That is very, very cool. The railroad tracks. Very cool. Little Persistence of Time homage right there, both the painting and the Anthrax album. There's a real beautiful clock in the corner of that building. And it's actually correct, I think. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but it's kind of creepy actually. It does have a big nose, you're right. Well, that's going to do it for today's vlog. Hope you really enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up down below. Tell your friends and share this video. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other vlogs. If you like them, consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified of any future vlogs I put up. Till next time, signing off from Corning, New York. Bye-bye.